Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, October 18th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather. We should have a high of 63, a low of 40, mostly cloudy, and a 23% chance of rain. Today for breakfast, sausage biscuit, grits, fruit juice. For lunch, sloppy joe, tater tots, Caesar salad, fruit, and juice. Today's announcement. Self-assessment should be complete by now. More information on next steps for PLPs will be coming. Admin will be conducting phonics first walkthroughs. Remember, this is a district-mandated program that should be fully implemented with fidelity. Your students should know the routines and procedures by now. All teachers should be allowing students to do a quick daily check-in on the Rhythm app each morning. The use of this program is being monitored by central office. Thank you to Ms. Bertolino, who is consistently using this for daily check-ins. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Pate. Late duty today is Ms. Sunstall. Tomorrow, Ms. Moore. Thursday, Ms. Bertolino. And Friday, Ms. Zimlin. Announcements from the library. Book fair this week. The grade level schedule was sent and is in your teacher's boxes. The pumpkin contest, send those to the library. They are due by October 17th for all that want to participate. AR has started over. Teachers don't forget to go in and set the new point goals. The library is closed during the book fair. Students have access to Myon for ebooks to keep reading, and it takes them straight to the AR test after reading. This is a great resource to use daily. It was a big day in the book fair yesterday. We had a lot of parents on campus, so that was a lot of fun to make sure parents and students enjoyed the book fair together and got some great goodies there. Important dates. October 17th through 21st is book fair. October 19th, archery tryouts after school. Make sure that if you have turned in an archery tryout interest form that you get the archery packet. You can see Miss Wetzel or see Coach King about that, but if you are coming to archery tryouts, you need to get the archery tryout packet. October 20th is Honor Walk. October 21st, Kona Ice. October 24th through 28th, Red Ribbon Week. October 24th, faculty meeting. October 27th, read for the record. October 28th, Feel Good Friday and Book Character Dress Up. November 2nd, No Tardy Party for students with no tardies or early dismissals during the month of October. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school. We have some birthdays today. Today's birthdays are Tristan Harris and Adam Nasher. Happy birthday to those two fellas. Also, we are still doing our questions of the day. We would love to hear the questions that you have. You can submit questions to the question box that's located in the library. We have had several great questions, and we will have one answered today. Today, we have a question of the day. It is from Armani, a 5th grader in Ms. Bertolino's class. And she wanted to know, are a megalodon and a great white shark the same species? Are they the same thing, or are they different? And Cohen and Dagan did some research and found out the answer. A great white shark is a large mackerel shark species, and so is a megalodon. But you cannot go out and see a megalodon because they are extinct. So yes, they are the same species, but a megalodon is now extinct. So what we have left is the great white shark as a large mackerel shark. Great question. Very interesting answer. Way to go to all those guys for participating in that. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.